What is homeostasis? Homeostasis, any self-regulating process by which biological systems tend to maintain stability while adjusting to conditions that are optimal for survival. If homeostasis is successful, life continues. If it's unsuccessful, it results in a disaster or death of the organism. The stability that the organism reaches is rarely around an exact point, such as the idealized human body temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. What is an example of homeostasis in a living thing? Body temperature control in humans is one of the most familiar examples of homeostasis. Normal body temperature hovers around 37 degrees Celsius, 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. But a number of factors can affect this value, including exposure to the elements, hormones, metabolic rate, and disease, leading to excessively high or low body temperatures. The hypothalamus in the brain regulates body temperature, and feedback about body temperature from the body is carried through the bloodstream to the brain, which results in adjustments in breathing rate, blood sugar levels, and metabolic rate. In contrast, reduced activity, perspiration, and heat exchange processes that permit more blood to circulate near the skin surface contribute to heat loss. Heat loss is reduced by insulation, decreased circulation to the skin, clothing, shelter, and external heat sources. What is an example of homeostasis in a mechanical system? A familiar example of homeostatic regulation in a mechanical system is the action of a thermostat, a machine that regulates room temperature. At the center of a thermostat is a bimetallic strip that responds to temperature changes. The strip expands under warmer conditions and contracts under cooler conditions to either disrupt or complete an electric circuit. When the room cools, the circuit is completed, the furnace switches on, and the temperature rises. At a preset level, perhaps 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, the circuit breaks, the furnace stops, and no additional heat is released into the room. Over time, the temperature slowly drops until the room cools enough to trigger the process again. Are there examples of homeostasis in ecosystems? The concept of homeostasis has also been used in studies of ecosystems. Canadian-born American ecologist Robert MacArthur first proposed in 1955 that homeostasis in ecosystems results from biodiversity. It was thought that this kind of homeostasis could help to explain why forests, grasslands, or other ecosystems persist, that is, remain in the same location for long periods of time. Since 1955, the concept has changed to incorporate the ecosystem's non-living parts, such as rocks, soil, and water. I hope this helps to answer the question. If you have any thoughts on this subject, please let me know below the comments.